Hello, today I'm in Mercedes SL55. In this video I'll show you how to check service info. In the beginning we are going to use these two buttons and these two buttons on steering wheel. These two buttons navigate from my menu and this button to change section. So using the bottom buttons, navigate until you see this display with odometer and trip 1 info. Now press the top arrow button and press it again. Now you've got the service A in my car in 15,900 kilometers. Let's try if we can reset it. So press and hold reset button. Unfortunately, we can't reset it right now, but maybe it's because the car is running. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.